Today, we are all here to celebrate something special. New Gen Kapuso Day. Yes, you heard it right. Today, on the 21st of January, we will all witness our ultimate star, Miss Jeneline Mercado, solidifying her ties with GMA Network.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Higit sa lahat kay Jen. Jen, hi. It's good to see you. It's been some time since the pandemic and the last time we see each other. I'm very grateful and very happy that we're having this signing this morning. Not because there was this thought na baka hindi na magpatuloy na kapuso si Jen, kundi dahil nag-desisyon na siyang bumalik. Konting paliwanag lang, when Dylan was born, minabuti ni Jen na spend some time with her, do what a mother does, and this adds again to the totality of Jeneline. So sabi natin, sabihan mo lang kami pag handa ka nang bumalik. Okay, so kagandahan palad naman, handa na siyang bumalik, kaya tayo narito. Palakpakan natin siya. We started with a common aspiration, a dream. GMA at that time wanted to start to discover and build stars. You, in your earlier years, thought to be or become a star. So our paths crossed in what was the very first Starstruck, which you won as the first ultimate survivor na female. Kaya sa lahat ng interpretasyon o definition, ikaw ang tunay na OG. Palakpakan natin sa ulo.
Thought of Jeneline kasi I've known Jeneline since the time she won the Starstruck event. In fact, her mother is also a good friend of my wife, Lydia. So they work together in that garments factory in Merville. So from time to time, they get to have that reunion at binabanggit parati ni Lydia to my wife, oh, si Jeneline is now a star sa GMA. Make sure that you take care of, tell Philip to take care of her. That's why Jeneline is one of the many talents that is very close to me. That's why I was surprised when I learned, you know, what's holding up Jeneline. Because si Gigi do that negotiation with her, keeps on telling me, ito na tayo sir, and dito na tayo, and dito na. So I told Gigi, can you tell Jeneline that I have gone through it, and she's safe with GMA. Okay. There is no other network that will take care of her. It will only be GMA. I've gone through other stations, and I know how GMA values it. Homegrown talent. Yan talaga homegrown. Kasi from the beginning, she was discovered ng team ng Starstruck. And from there, she has grown so fast. So again, Jen, you're forever home. GMA will always be here for you. Again, thank you, Jen.
Nandito ka na at signing your contract, and I cannot help but feel nostalgic kasi yung growth mo not only in your career but also in your personal life. Na-witness namin, nakasama ka namin, dito ka na nakabuo ng pamilya, sa isang kapuso rin. And we're just happy that you're still with us and that you will continue to grow in your career and in your family life together with us. So thank you very much, and we are all very excited for the many projects that you will continue to do with the network. Thank you.
Sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta ngayong araw ito, maraming salamat. Alam ko po medyo natagalan dahil sabi nga ni Sir Duavit, may mga prioritize pa ako, pero maraming mga speculations, maraming nagalit, may mga haka-haka, may mga natuwa, may mga nainis, may mga bashers ako. Ang dami. Pero wala naman akong ibang pupuntahan. Yung destination ko palaging clear. Palaging sa GMA. So, I can say that I am home. Actually, hindi ko nga alam kung tama bang sabihin na I am home, I am back. Kasi hindi naman po talaga ako nawala. Kumbaga, para lang akong nagbakasyon o nag-grocery lang, parang gano'n lang. Tapos bumalik ako sa pamilya ko at kumain ulit kami ng dinner. Sabay-sabay ulit kami nagkakwentuhan at nagsisikahan. Parang gano'n lang po. Bumalik lang ako sa pamilya ko na wala lang sandali. So, I am here, I'm back, I'm home. Kapuso pa rin tayo at taus-puso po akong nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng mga tumulong sa akin at of course sa GMA sa patuloy na pagmamahal at sa patuloy na pagsuporta at pagtanggap pa rin po sa akin. Sa totoo lang, never naman po ako talagang nakampante na i-renew ako. Yung ganun yung kasi sa totoo lang ang dami ng mga bagong artista ngayon, diba? Ang daming mga magagaling na talents ngayon sa industry dahil na nag-evolve tayo. But to be here means so much and wala po akong ibang nararamdaman kundi gratitude at masasalamat po sa inyo lahat. Okay, anyway, hindi ko na po papahabain pa. I'm just so grateful and I'm so happy na nakabalik na ako sa aking bahay after ng mahabang bakasyon. At I'm so thankful, sir, na naintindihan niyo po ako. Hindi ko po ito nagawa eh. Nung oras po na pinanganak ko si Jazz at kailangan ko agad bumalik sa trabaho nung time na wala akong choice. Pero ngayon parang gusto kong bumawi sa pamilya ko, of course. I'm happy na naiintindihan ako ng network, ng management ko. Maraming salamat sa aking management, sa Tina Aguila, kay Jan, kay Tita Becky, kay Kat, sa aking mga besties, sa aking lab team, si AJ, si Ian, si Antea, si Jay, maraming salamat. And of course, sa aking family, na aking inspirasyon talaga, na bumangon araw-araw. Si Dennis, si Dylan, si Graz, si Calix, mahal ko kayo. Maraming salamat. At thank you mga kapuso. Siyempre excited na ako mag-taping kasi ang tagal ko rin huling nakagawa ng series dito sa GMA. And lalo pang mas excited ako kasi kasama ko si Dennis dito sa bago na gagawin ng show, TV show. And meron din kaming movie under GMA Films and Creation. Kasama ko rin si Dennis doon and looking forward sa marami pang projects at magagandang proyekto, syempre.